Hey, what's going on, everyone? D. Anthony here. We're going to do a little recap on the Nasdaq 100. So going into today, just kind of looking at the chart from the previous, few days, we're on a little bit of a pullback here from 20,371. Now, yesterday we closed right at this 10-day moving average. What I'm looking for and what I was looking for coming into the day was one big more washout. Okay, you can see the gap between this blue line, this is a 10-day moving average, and the 20-day, which is, or excuse me, the purple line, which is the 20-day moving average. Now this is a pretty significant gap with no demand zones below. Okay, you have a little bit of hiccup here, a little bit of a roadblock at 19,500. But ultimately it did have room down to 19,300. Now, again, I know that's way down there. I'm not looking for a full 600 point move to the downside in one day, but what I was looking for was any type of pop off the open to get rejected and then kind of confirm yesterday's lows and build below that. And that was going to be a very easy trend day to the downside. But instead, what we got was a trend day to the upside. Now, before I get into a smaller time frame, I want to make something very, very clear. This price action does not mean that bulls are out of the water by any stretch of the means. Okay, we're still pinned. You can see where we tagged and where we touched today. Almost this 20,000 mark again. It's right here at the linear regression and the 5-day moving average. So this could just be a 3-day downturn followed by a dead cat bounce and then take everyone out. Notice the last two previous days. This level needs to be on everyone's screen. The previous 2 days, including today, so today and yesterday, that low price 19,730s, it needs to be on everyone's radar. If we do pop and we do reject and the price starts to fall and we lose 19,700, this is an easy short position. Okay, this could make your week's P&L, could make your month's P&L. Let's just wait for it. Let's be patient. Am I expecting it tomorrow? Maybe, maybe not. I'm not going to go in there with any type of bias. Now, the bulls, what I need to see the buyers do is I need to see the buyers start to take out yesterday's range. That price is going to be sitting at 20,030. I need to get over 20,030 before I have any relief out of this balloon. Okay, so the balloon doesn't get popped until we lose a downside or we take out yesterday's highs. Everything else in between, treat it as a scalp. Now I'm still on scalp mode. I'm looking for 4 to 5 points on my scalps on the NQ. I'm looking for high win rate percentage. Again, I'm trying to keep my stop losses at around $200 to $220, trading one mini contract and just looking for that quick $80 to $100 pop. Okay, that's it. Risking 2 to make 1. Again, because it's a little bit higher of a win rate, we can afford to take 1 loss and then win 2 to kind of, get back to scratch and break even. That's completely fine, and go back into the green. So again, when you're dealing with a high percentage scalping strategy, you've got to let the numbers play out. Okay, you can take 1, 2, 3 losing trades. That doesn't mean that you're not going to go on a 10 trade winning streak. Okay, you can win 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades in a row, and it doesn't mean that the next trade is going to be a winner. You can take 1 winner, loser, 2 losers. So again, just kind of be careful. Let's just look at the price action from today. I'm going to quickly go over it. Again, pre-market, if you guys are trading pre-market, extremely choppy, right? I got chopped up once and then luckily, kind of waited for market to open and then took a winning trade, kind of get me a little bit back to below break even, and then another winning trade put me back at even, and then I was able to kind of finish off the day green, which is great because the longer the day went on today, there was some good opportunities. There was a setup here at 6:55. There was a setup here around 9 o'clock. There was another setup here around 10:30, 10:40 Pacific Standard Time. So these were all good, very good setups. Again, looking at the 5-minute time frame here, I'm still looking predominantly at the 2-minute. But because 2-minute has, a lot more candles in this, I don't want to stretch it out across the screen. It's already, this is already congested as it is. Let's just look at the overall day, right? So the overall day was trending to the upside. We had that choppy pre-market action. We had the initial flush, trap, first dead cat bounce, lower high, boom. Once this lower high gets set, you have to tell yourself you're looking for nothing but longs until we get super extended away from the opening price. Because of the fact that we haven't taken out the initial 5-minute candle, we haven't taken out any of the pre-market lows, why would we be looking to short every pop? Or, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't make sense. If this price is driving up, you're looking to short this. Why not just wait for the bounce and then play the long? Why not just wait for the bounce and play it long? Again, all these lines, Some of you guys think this is confusing. These are all demand zones, right? They're below us. They're demand zones. If they were above us, it's supply zones. So why do I want to short into demand? Why do I want to short into buyers? Why do I want to short into buyers? I don't. I want to come down. I want to pick up some buyers. I want to bounce. I want to come down. I want to pick up some more buyers, and I want to bounce. Now, when we start to lose the 20 and the 50, then maybe, you know, things get a little bit dicey. But again, until we take out that initial balance level, which is the first hour of trade, or we take out the pre-market levels, you're still looking for the bounce where these buyers could be sitting, right? Last potential spot for the buyers to be sitting today was 19,818, which is a 200-day moving average. Okay, we never got down there, but again, that would ultimately be the perfect opportunity to try to catch a bounce. Again, we got pretty close. We came down here to what is this? What is this? What is this? I believe it's a 100-day moving average or 100 EMA. It doesn't really matter, tomato. But with that being said, you can see once we got back over the 50-day moving average on a 5-minute time frame, and we started to clear out the 20 again, we got back above the linear regression, we got back over this initial balance highs, you know, you can see the market really started to trend, right? Algos came on. Again, this is coming out of lunch. Algos got turned on. We put in a high up here, a little bit of a double top, pulled right back in. Again, remember the mantra, why do I want to short when I could just wait to pick up more buyers? Again, trend is showing us that it's up. Let's pick up buyers. Let's bounce. Hope this video was informative for you guys. If it was, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you guys did today. Also, if you guys are looking for excellent prop firms to trade with, if you're a scalper, let's go with Apex. That link is down in the description box below. If you're a little bit more of a range and zone trader where you like the dollar cost average, let's go with Top Step. A little bit more safer for you guys. Those links are down there in the description. If you want to trade with me, myself, and the team at Evolution Traders, get access to all of the coursework where I kind of go over these strategies a little bit more in depth, and we're kind of chit-chatting throughout the day, going over and working on different strategies, stop losses, and take profits. That link is down in the description box below as well. I do have one more space available if you want to take advantage of that and hop on that train. If not, that's completely fine. I'll see all of you guys on YouTube tomorrow. I'll see the rest of you guys in Evolution Traders on the trading floor tomorrow, and everyone have a blessed day.